Alright, one last thing. I did not go into the managers associated with the exables. So, like, as you'd expect, all the managers are stored um, where you want them. So the registration broker is the command broker, so it executes all the commands that are sent to it for all the registration. The alarmable processes all the commands. I went through this in detail in my alarm video. The keyboard event manager, I went over this in the keyboard event manager, or the keyboard inputable such. Collision manager, I went into detail as well. The updatable, which is all handled in a row as you wanted, depending on the order of importance. And then this goes through, obviously, all the updatables that need to be changed. That is done through an attorney. And done so with this. And then we have the camera manager, which is here. So right now it's very simple. We just have a get camera, get current 2D camera, set the current camera, and so forth. The camera manager is what's in charge of cameras. So if you get a camera, the scene does not delete it, or the user should not delete it. It should be this camera manager deletes it, and all of that is done. So at the end, the camera manager is terminated, alarmable, collision manager, and so forth. Updatable and drawable things are not really terminated because they're not complex enough at the moment. But when the objects of an updatable or an alarmable get deleted, then they will go through the termination process and so forth. And then this is all the registration, as you can see. But those are all the managers. I forgot to go over theirs. They're not too complicated, but I know you would have docked me a couple points for not going over what the managers are. But here they are. I went over some details more in depth for more complicated managers. But those are the managers.